Hi everyone, my name is Jingyao Zhu. Here is my final presentation. The brand I'm going to talk about is Postmates. Before that, let's see a very short video about it.
You know that I'm watching. I don't want to be rude, but I know what I'm doing. Tonight I'm doing you. All I want is your sweet love. Can't fix my sight on you. 'Cause you're mysterious. You're mysterious.
Now I will give you more information about Postmates. Postmates is an American company that employs couriers to deliver goods. As of February 2019, Postmates operates in 940 US cities. The service relies on mobile phone applications and their global position system capabilities to match inventories and consumer demand. Postmates is transforming the way goods move around cities by enabling anyone to have anything delivered on demand. Our revolutionary urban logistics platform connects customers with local couriers who can deliver anything from any store or restaurants in minutes. We empower communities to shop local with no waiting and empower business through our API to offer delivery. Here is some data I found about Postmates marketing size. The number of US markets Postmates is available in are 44 markets. Postmates' share of the US food delivery market is 9.1%. Number of cities Postmates operates in are 3,500 cities. The numbers of restaurants Postmates works with are 500,000. The percentage of US households that Postmates reaches is 70%. The number of US households that Postmates is available to is 30 million. The number of people in the US that Postmates is available to are 135 million. Among Postmates has reportedly raised to date are 607 million. This is our project introduction. Currently, Postmates mainly have two methods for customers to order. One is ordering food by website, and the other is by app. However, both of these platforms almost only can order food. In order to shift our focus from food to other products, Postmates is active to put effort on it. As a result, our new project is make Postmates also can delivery for some medicines and healthcare products. Actually, I found this area is quite a short supply service in online. Think about if we got a fever or bruise at home in a very bad weather or at a quite late time. Such online delivery can solve our problems. Not only for medicines, such as some healthcare products also can be delivered. The purpose of our project is expanded market, brand stereotype change, increase the marketing size, get more benefit, and going to be on the market. Due to our right now customers are mainly people who are full-time workers and some college students. If we take actions on this project, there will be more people choose our company. Also, in most customers' mind, Postmates is like DoorDash, Uber Eats, which can only order food. This project can change brand stereotype. The most important is the extending market can help our company going to be on the market. This is a to-do list for our project. The first is improve the technology. For our although Postmates has a mature system for online development, if we are going to add another area, development, the function on the website and apps should be improved. The next is look for new partners. Partners plays an important role in Postmates development. For our new project, we should extend more pharmacies to cooperate with us. Only our customers have more options. Our brand will become popular. The next is analyze the market. The market size can tell us the marketing needs in this area. Only know the trends, populations, customer needs of our project. We can do much better. The next is employ more people from delivery and technology aspects. The next is consider about the costs from the payment to the employees, technology update and delivery. Last is advertising, which mainly about the social media use. I found some images in Instagram. There is a little bit things about brand introduction and story. We show some partners tag, our new functions, and customers tag. I think which is good because these actions can make our customers have some interactive communication with us. In Facebook, Postmates can provide the comprehensive brand information, such as the link we can order, the job which are available right now, and the event customers can join. In the YouTube, Postmates use real-time marketing strategy, which invites some famous people to help them advertise brand. The Twitter can see a lot of interactive communication with customers. The suggestion I want to give Postmates is to make each social media platform keep pace with each other, especially on the brand story and introduction. Also, only post some information is not enough. Actually, I think Postmates should add some interesting elements in their social media, such as some gamification activities. For example, when people order up to a specific time, customers can get a small mystery gifts or free to order one time. To make these activities can let our customers be addicted to use our brand, and social media should add these activities to such platform to let customers know it. Here is the social engagement goals. Change is in different social media platform, websites and apps can cause some people find some interest in our brand. Then they will use our brand as a habit. So these people are likely to become the loyalty of our brand. Then this loyalty will bring more new customers, and our brand will become more successful. Here is a reference. That's it. Thank you.